Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to swap the two numbers. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to swap the two numbers using the temporary method. So I mean the temporary variable. So you're going to declare the two variables. The first variable is variable A and the second variable is variable B. From there we declare our temporary variable, that is temp. So let's start writing our program. The first thing you will have to do before you start writing, you have to make sure that the language is C language. So you click on language, C, then you select C language. Then now let's save our file. So we click on save as. Then we are going to save this file in, okay, before that let's delete this one. Then we save it as swap numbers. Then you just need to click on save. So swap number is already okay, replace it. So let's open our folder. So its location is download. Then this is our swap number. You can see it's empty. So let's start coding our program. So come back to our notepad++. Then we start by typing the preprocessor hash include. So I will just type hash include standard input dot header. Then we int main. This is our main function. So you int main. Then you declare a variable. So we int A, B. So these are two variables. So when the user inputs the first number like 5 and the second number like 10, so the output is going to reverse, so that the first number becomes 10 and the second number becomes 5. So we are going to declare our temporary variable, that is int temp. Okay, from there we are going to ask the user to enter the value of A. So printf enter the values of A and B. So this statement is going to be displayed on the screen, asking the user to input the two variables, that is the value of A and the value of B. So the next statement, that is scanf, this one is used to take the user input. So %d for our first variable, then %d for our second variable. Then we close it. Okay, then we store and A, comma, and B. So friends, then I close it. Okay, now we start writing we start the swap, that is using the temporary. So we declare our temporary was, okay, we initialize the temporary to variable A, temp equals to A. This one means that we are going to store the value of A in temporary. Then A equals to B. Then we put the value of A into B. Again B, we put it into temp. Then from there we put the value of B into temporary. So just go ahead, direct and printf after swapping. So after we swap our numbers, let's use this one. So after swapping, we printf the value of A equals to, so the value of A is going to change to, okay, the value of A is going to be an integer, but will have changed to, and then we just say A, we close it, then printf the value of B is equals to %d, again comma, the value of B, then we close it. So return 0 means our program ended successfully. So from there, guys, we close with a curly brace, and now let's click on save and try to run our program and see if we can get the correct output. So we are going to go to our download. This is our file. We just type this file, and you can see carefully we don't have the errors. Okay, we are going to run the program to be sure the program is working fine. So you need to click on plugins, NXPP, execute file, then we wait. As you can see, processed, started, and finish with 0 errors. So we just need to go back and click on executable file. This is the executable file. Let's open it. So we are going to input the two values. That is, the first value we are going to input number 5. Press enter. Get the second value, input number 10. You press enter. So the output should be, is going to be this one. So let's add a captcha so that the window remain open. So captcha. This is a function, you have to enclose it in a parenthesis. Another captcha. Let's save and see the results. You have to make sure that you have deleted the previous executable file. Okay, let's delete it. Okay. Minimize this one. Let's refresh. Now let's save it. Saved. Click on plugin NXP. Then you execute it. First of all, you have to make sure that you have killed the process before you execute it. So once we kill it, we need to delete our old file. Then run. So we end our first numbers 10 and our second numbers 5. And you see, after swapping, the value of A has changed. So you see, the value of A was 5. Now it has changed to, the value of A was 10. Now it has changed to 5. The value of B was 5. It has changed to 10. Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, you should consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. So in our next video, we are going to see how you can be able to swap the two numbers using the pointer method. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.